welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I hope you're doing well. This is my X-Class 52 volt with motorcycle tires on it. What do y'all think? I think it looks kind of supermoto-ish, you know? It's pretty cool. I really dig it. I elected for street tires because I don't take anything off-road. So as you can see here, they've got really super cool, nice tread, and they are built for the street, and they feel great. They actually feel really great. Here is the old tires. I bought this bike used, so obviously the tires were really wore out. And this is the tires I got from Amazon. Now they are 16 by 3.5 instead of the 4-inch fat bike tires. And as you can see, they still look really wide and really great. And so when I was making this video, I didn't want to just make something that was, oh yeah, another, you know, generic tire upgrade, which we already did that on the Cupid. So, but in the comment section, people were talking about, hey man, you know, when you're doing the rims like that, to use a 5-gallon bucket or to be able to stand it on, and it'll be a lot easier. So I thought, yeah, let's give that a shot. So basically this video is just me using that bucket and explaining how I felt that experience was. So if you already know this, then cool. If you don't, hopefully it'll bring you something new. But I just thought it'd be some quick little easy video that, you know, would just kind of show how I used the bucket and how well it worked, because it worked really great. Now, as you can see, while I'm putting the inner tube in the tire, that having that hole in the bucket like that just allows you to be able to work with a flatter surface, and it's a heck of a lot easier, you know, than trying to wrestle around a tire where it makes an uneven surface with the hub and all that stuff. So basically that's what this is, just putting an inner tube in it, and you can see you can just flip-flop it around whichever way and it's good. I'm attaching the valve stem to the wheel right now, and I will put a link in the description for the first tire upgrade video, which kind of goes into more detail about pulling the tire off the rim and all that. Now, I just used a couple of screwdrivers and was very careful about putting the tire over the rim, but you can buy special tools that will do that without damaging. Some of them are plastic and they break really easy, so I just am very careful and try to not get wild with that, scratching it up and stuff. And so there you go. There is the tire, and you can see here that even at 3.5 inches, it does look very wide. Now, you don't forget that there is a arrow pointing on these tires to show which direction the tread goes. So you want to make sure that you always got that going in the right direction. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's the tire, what it looks like with the when it's all put back together, and they ride really nice, man. It's a great ride. And here it is, all finished, and you can see that it tell me, what do you guys think? Does it look kind of like a supermoto? I don't know if it does or not, but it looks pretty cool, you know what I mean? Like, it's like this almost, you know, e-bike supermoto-y type of vibe on there, which I kind of dig. You know, it's kind of cool. And we'll be having more Cupid upgrades real soon, but for now, have a beautiful day. Please like, subscribe, and follow. We love having you here. Have a great one.